Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More. Standing outside one of my flips that just got tagged, so gonna show you that fun stuff. As you can see, Saber doesn't look like anything good happened to him. But this is one of the cheapest houses I've bought in a while for $120,000. And I mentioned it wasn't in the most, high value neighborhood. And this kind of confirms that we're in Greeley, Colorado, if you're wondering. And also, there's even water in the basement. So we're trying to figure that out too. I know where it's coming in from the inside. I was gonna take a look on the outside too. But of course, check out Invest for More. We have lots more information. My flips, rentals, being an agent, all that good stuff. Yeah, our water, we have a good amount of water coming in. This is one window that was wide open. The people who broke in, they broke into the house too, I'll show you. Literally had 3 different ways to get in and out. I don't know why they needed 3 different ways. But inside I could hear water dripping into here. Oh yeah, and that's totally full of water. So water's just getting in here and then seeping into the basement right there. So fixing the gutter would be one thing, and then getting some window well covers would help as well. But I'll show you inside and what happened. Nikki, my project manager, came here on her way to work and walked in and could smell the paint and walked back out again, which is good. Don't need any kind of accidents or anything crazy to happen. But you can see Saber. I wonder what happened to Saber. Who knows? And it's not the end of the world for us. Because we're probably tearing all this stuff out anyway. But they did do a little bit of damage. And the floors, I'm pretty sure that should clean up. The first window we saw right there with the weird sheet on it was wide open. So they just, I don't know if that's where they got in or if they opened it before they left, but right in the front of the house on a fairly busy street, that's pretty brave of them. They just went in that way. Our bathroom is okay, although not sure how much of that we'll be saving. And then again, on the floors. So we will file a police report, let them know what happened. Maybe they know who Saber is, and that could help them figure out who did it, or maybe they did this to other houses as well, and it'll help them catch them. You can see right here. And this door, this is the door, if you saw my first video, did a before video right after we bought this house, and I couldn't open this door. They broke this door. So, well, oh, now it's shut. But it did have a door handle, and they broke that off, and it was open when we got here. And down here, you can see the water. And there's a fair amount of it in there too. And for people who watched the first video and commented that I farted when I was in here, this is the door I opened, the culprit. It probably won't do it now. Nope. So, but that's that window well. And I think water's just seeping through this wall, down into here, and out this way. So more, they did come down here too. Poor Saber. And then this window right here was wide open as well. So they had 2 windows wide open and the back door wide open. So I don't know if they're doing that so they could come back for easy access, or if they decide they needed 3 ways to get in and out. I don't know. But that's the fun, dealing with properties. I actually almost never have my properties tagged. It's pretty rare. So it's not the end of the world. We've had a couple get broken into, but it's been a little while since that's happened. And this house, just to give you a quick rundown, like I said, bought it for $120,000 from a wholesaler. We're probably spending $45,000 in repairs. ARV, the after repaired value, will be, around $240,000, and we'll have another $15,000 in costs or so for financing selling it and carrying costs. All right, that's the property. We'll have more updates as we actually get work started on it and go from there. Thanks for watching. Of course, we like comments, thumbs up, and I try to respond to everybody.